Now, how I started learning English, it's quite an interesting story. I started highlighting important words in English that I was not familiar with, and from that point of view, I started writing them down in a list in a journal. And from this journal, I started repeating and understanding the pronunciation of these words and also the way they are used in sentences. And from that point, accumulating this list of vocabulary from magazines, from novels, from novellas, from short stories, from essays, I become a multifaceted English learner. The point to be made here is very straightforward. You should not focus on one type of source. You need to diversify the kind of sources that you have in English in order to become a very flexible and mobile language learner. You do not need to stick to one type of source. Avoid using extensive dictionaries or intensively using dictionaries because dictionaries only give you the lexical meaning of the word. They do not provide you with the contextual meaning of the word. There are different types of meanings for each one of the words. We're talking about the lexical meaning of the word, which is the word meaning in dictionary as it is stipulated by the definition. And there is the contextual meaning, where the context determines the kind of word meaning. And there's the pragmatic meaning, which is also kind of relevant to contextual meaning, but sometimes the meaning is altered and shifted based on the personal intentions of the speakers or among the speakers, or depending on the kind of mutual message among the speakers. I think, and this is probably coming from my point of view, since I'm coming from this kind of direction in my learning, I should not learn English only from English grammar books and English dictionaries. I should go to my interests and ask myself, what are my hobbies? What are my interests? What am I interested to do? Where am I seeing myself in 5 years? Building on that, I will reach to a good consensus in terms of the skills that I want to improve. Focus on your micro skills. Micro skills are skills that you really have good interest and good knack and success to do. And these skills, for example, investigating something online, listening to particular kind of podcast, watching certain types of movie genres like thriller, adventure, romance, all of that will culminate in a very high level, a cutting edge level of language proficiency. And that's actually what English is for. You should not and you will not be perfect English speaker, but you can be a professional English speaker. Again, I totally recommend certain types of books to investigate and explore. Certain types of books can help you improve your English, especially if these books are within your field of interest. So try to investigate something within your field of interest or within the territory of your field of interest, because that is where your success is going to come from. Thank you so much. Happy Friday, and looking forward to see you in another wonderful meeting with you and talking with you, walking you through, motivating you to become better English learners. Thank you so much.